3.
Okay. Happy Jen! Happy
Huwag masyadong malikot.
Bakit?
Para
Happy
hindi mag-ano.
birthday! Ang tanda mo na. Miss na miss ka na namin. Sabi mo, Tita Inday?
Inday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Kantaan mo siya, Tita, ano? Happy birthday to...
Birthday to
Galing ah! Ikaw ate, hindi ka tapos sa Tita Inday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! May
Dali, May.
Say mo, happy birthday.
birthday inside. Birthday inside. Birthday inside. Happy birthday. Mami na kami lang.
Tulog na.
Ang dalawa na
Ay!
Thank you pa! Papi, sa mga regalo mo sa akin! Thank you so much! Mama, tarong mo ni Papi. Hello po! Say mo, happy birthday!
Si mama mo.
Hi, Ate Jen! Anyway, by the way, highway! It's your birthday today and today. Congratulations! Anyway, dahil birthday mo ngayon,
Birthday ngayon.
kakantahan ka namin ni Ate ni si May.
Ikaw si Ate si May.
Oh, okay. A ray of hope flickers in the sky. A tiny star lights up way up high. All across the land, though the brand new world, this comes to pass when a child is born. Yay!
Anak ka.
Happy birthday! God bless you! I love you!
Love you.
Payat-payat na kami!
Kami. Kami.
Regalo po ni ate ni si May!
Wala natin si May.
Say mo, Tita
Wala
Jo?
pa kalayo.
Hello! Ganon ka. Hello, Tita Jo!
Tito Jo.
Where's my gift?
Mickey.
Give me my gift!
Mickey.
Please, Tita Jo!
Tito Jo.
Give my gift!
Here.
Please! Merry Christmas!
Kantahan mo si Tita.
Happy New Year! Congratulations! I love you, Tita!
Message mo.
Love you, Tita Jo!
Love you, Tito Jo.
Magpataba pa ka lalo!
Hindi ka lalo.
Para pagdating mo dito,
Pagdating mo dito.
magka-size na kayo ni Kuya Joe! Yay!
Ikaw, kantahan mo sa mga happy birthday, tita. Dali. Kami naman, dali. Diyan kanina.
Hello, Tita. Ay, sabi mo. Hello, Tita Inday. Dali mo. Dali si... May ano eh. Kanta mo sa atin. Happy birthday, Tita. Ready, sing. Kakanta kami ni Chloe. O, dali, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita.
Ka-emote-emote yan.
Ayan, happy birthday, ate.
Ay, natakpan niya.
It is another day for you. We're so blessed. We have you, and we're praying for you this year, for the next year, na magkaroon na kayo ng baby. And
Yeah!
your life with joy will be more blessed.
Yeah!
And yung